I'm going to show you how to multiply using the area method. So just as a first example, if we had to multiply 345 by 3 using the area method, you start by drawing a box and you've just divided it into 3 sections because we have 3 numbers, 3 place values here. And then around the outside of the box you take this number 345 and you divide it up into 340 and 5, and I'm sure you can guess what number goes on the side here. Yes, it's 3. So I've taken this number and we've spread it out, and then we're finding the area of each of these little boxes. So for the first one we would say 300 times 3, and we write the answer in the box, 900. The next one is 40 times 3, which is 120. And then the final box is 5 times 3, which is 15. The next step is to add those 3 numbers together to find the total. So the total area of, or 345 times 3 is 1035. I'll show you one more example using 2-digit numbers. So 269 times 34, this time we need a bigger box because we have to break up the 269 and the 34. So 269, 30 and 4. Same basic layout, but now we've got more boxes. Then you do exactly the same thing. So 200 times 30 is 6,000, 60 times 30 is 1800, 9 times 30 is 270. And do the same thing on the next row. You can do these boxes in any order, it doesn't really matter. That's the beauty of it. And because breaking it up allows us to use our times tables, so 200 times 4, I'm going 2 4s are 8, plus the zeros is 800. Same here, I know that 4 6s are 24, and then I just add the 0 on to get 240, and then finally 4 9s are 36. So obviously the next step is we have to add them all up, and again you can do that any way you like. I've chosen to add each row, so I'm going to add them across and do that, but you could also add them going down ways, it doesn't matter, because in the end you have to add them all up. So I've added it up going across, and there's one more final step, and that is to add those rows together so I get the total area of the whole square. Now you try. Can you work with this example using the area method? 368 times 42. Pause the video and work it out using the area method, and when you're ready come back and see the answers. Okay, here we go. This is how you would need to set it out with the grid, and 368 becomes 360 and 8, and 42 becomes 40 and 2. Here is the filled in answers. I won't read through them, you can pause if you want to and have a look, and that's the final answer. I hope you enjoy using the area method of multiplication.